Hey guys, my boat's coming to pick me up. I rented it for the day. It's a little small, but let me zoom in for you. So they're gonna pull up here pretty soon. What do you think? Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. That's the one. Yeah, that's the one that's gonna come pick me up.